Hi, it's Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at question types. So we've got a number of different types of questions that we could ask, and we can structure this in an order. So let's have a look at the diagram. So we've got what we call open questions. So they are ones where you can give words answers, sentence answers, paragraph answers. Then we have closed ones, and so that means people can only choose from a limited list. So we've got yes, no, multi-choice, where there's more than that, checklist, ranking, and rating. So an open question, we can have unlimited responses, and it gives us much more detailed answers, which is really useful in some circumstances. So this is when they're going to write their answers down for us. However, closed questions, they have a limited set of answers. So yes, no, that's when you can only choose one out of two possible options. Multi-choice is where you've got more than two options, but again, you can only choose one of those. A checklist, this is where you can have multiple. So you could have one, two, or up to all of the options selected. A ranking question is when we have to put an order from first to last. And we have our rating, which is when we're measuring the quality of something. And so if you think about your typical, how many stars would you give a product or a music or a movie or something, that's a rating question. And a Likert scale is a particular type of rating. So if I have a look at this example here, we're talking about school, designing questions for our school canteen. And this question here, did you buy your lunch at the school canteen last week? We're only allowed to choose one out of the two options. So this is a yes/no question. If I look at this one here, when we're talking about how much money can we spend, so think about what kind of answer you would give. You can only choose one of those options. And so therefore this is a multi-choice question. This one is looking at how satisfied we are, and we've got to choose a number between 0 and 5. So this is a rating question. And this one here, which days did we buy our lunches from last week? And we're allowed to choose all of them. So if we bought our lunch on every day, we would tick off all of them. Or we could just do one or two depending on which answers we gave. So this is a checklist question because you can give multiple answers to it. Thanks very much for watching.